Welcome to Daily Insights. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Today's topic: my duty as a black man living in a not so friendly world, came to me through a conversation with Mr. Art Hines. My duty as a black man living in a not so friendly world is something that is tugging at my heart, something that is very prominent in my mind. So today, I want to take this on. I want to share with you my thoughts, what I think about my life in this so unfriendly world. My duty as a black man in a not so friendly world. It is a world that sometimes feels like it's playing catch up with who we are. I grew up in a home where my mother was the captain of the ship. She was a single parent, but man, was she a force to be reckoned with. She was our leader, our teacher, our protector. She had this way of turning every challenge into a lesson, every setback into a stepping stone. As I can recall, we never wanted for anything. There was always food on the table. Lots of love, happiness filled the air that was our home. Whenever I would bring her one of my off the wall ideas, she never said no. I can still hear the echo of her voice saying, "Let's make it happen, son." I had no idea at the time that she was preparing me for my duty as a black man living in a not so friendly world. A question for you: who prepared you and who are you preparing? In our home, it wasn't just me. I had siblings and an extended family consisting of relatives and our very closely knit friends. We learned under our mother's watchful eyes things about life, and especially the importance of sticking together as a unit. We were a team, each learning from our shared examples and struggles about life. At the time, I did not know that my mother was preparing me to be a black man in a not so friendly world. It makes me curious. How have your siblings or close friends helping to prepare you to live in this world? Now, fast forward. I am in a place where I have young ones looking at me, my children, grandchildren, nieces and nephews, friends. They are watching my every move, just like I used to watch my mother. They are learning from me, and that is a responsibility I don't take lightly. What about you? Who is watching and learning from your journey? What about you? Who is watching and learning from your life's journey? My friends, they are a part of my family. We have been going through everything together: joys, pains, victories, and losses. They are a part of who I am, and I am a reflection of who they are. Who has been walking with you? Who are your friends? Who are walking with you, sharing your life's ups and downs? So that is it. My duty as a black man living in a not so friendly world, as I see it, is to be a guide, a role model, a living example for all those young ones looking to me for direction, just like I looked to my mother. I, as a black man, understand that I have an important role in shaping the world, in making it a more friendly world for people who look like me, for my children and their children. And this is a responsibility I take on one step, one day at a time. Until next time, on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.
A collision with purpose, in pursuit of purpose.